ABI Resources. You deserve the best.
ABI Life Skills trainers have the incredible opportunity to uplift and empower TBI and stroke survivors by offering a comprehensive and compassionate approach to food and meal preparation. By implementing a range of creative and customized strategies, trainers can transform the kitchen into a welcoming and accessible space for survivors. Task simplification serves as a powerful tool, breaking down complex tasks into manageable steps that make cooking feel achievable and enjoyable. By incorporating visual aids, trainers can clarify each step, reducing confusion and promoting a sense of accomplishment. Adaptive equipment, tailored to each individual's needs, offers an added layer of support, enabling survivors to navigate the kitchen with ease and confidence. Time management techniques and established routines bring a sense of order and predictability, fostering resilience and adaptability in the face of daily challenges. Moreover, shopping assistance not only helps survivors make healthier choices but also nurtures their autonomy and independence. As they gain proficiency in these vital life skills, survivors will experience an enhanced sense of control over their daily lives, ultimately elevating their overall quality of life. Together, life skills trainers and TBI and stroke survivors can embark on a journey of growth and self-discovery, fostering an environment where challenges are met with determination and every success is celebrated. In this supportive atmosphere, survivors will undoubtedly regain their confidence and independence in the kitchen and beyond. Discover more with ABI Resources online. ABI understands. And we're here for you and your loved ones.
ABI Resources. You deserve the best.